confidence. A thing that can completely change your life. The way you talk, the way you walk, the way people treat you, everything changes when you have confidence. But the truth is, most people struggle with confidence. Maybe you also feel this sometimes. You want to say something in a group, but you stay quiet. You want to express your opinion, but you start thinking, what if people judge me? Sometimes you walk into a room full of people, and suddenly you feel small. Your mind starts overthinking. What are they thinking about me? Do I look weird? Am I good enough? And slowly, you start doubting yourself. If you have ever felt like this, then this video is for you. Because today, I will show you something important. Confidence is not something people are born with. Confidence is something that you build. And in this video, I will show you 6 powerful ways to build real confidence in your life. Most people think confidence comes from motivation. But that is not true. Confidence comes from self-trust. Ask yourself one question. Can you trust yourself? For example, you tell yourself, I will wake up early tomorrow. I will start exercising. I will stop wasting time. But when the moment comes, you press the snooze button. You skip the workout. You waste time on your phone. And slowly your brain learns something dangerous. Your brain learns that your words do not matter, but confident people are different. They keep promises to themselves, even small promises. When you start doing what you say, your brain starts believing, I am a person who takes action, and that is the beginning of confidence. Let me tell you something powerful. Your body affects your mind. When someone walks with confidence, straight posture, strong eye contact, calm movements, you immediately feel their presence. But many people walk like this, head down, shoulders forward, avoiding eye contact. And their mind starts feeling weaker. Here is a simple rule. If you want to feel confident, first look confident. Stand straight. Keep your shoulders back. Look people in the eyes when you speak. Even if you feel nervous inside, your body language sends a signal to your brain, and slowly your mind becomes stronger. One of the biggest confidence killers is this, seeking validation. Many people constantly think, what will people think about me? They try to please everyone. They try to make everyone happy. But here's the truth. If you try to please everyone, you will lose yourself. Confident people understand something important. Not everyone will like you, and that is completely normal. You do not need approval from everyone. Confidence grows when you start respecting yourself more than you fear people's opinions. Confidence grows when you face challenges, not when you stay comfortable. Every time you avoid something difficult, your fear becomes stronger. But every time you face something difficult, your mind becomes stronger. Speak in front of people, start exercising, learn a new skill, try things that scare you. At first it will feel uncomfortable, but that is exactly where confidence grows. Confidence does not appear suddenly. It grows through progress. When you start improving your life, your mind knows something. You are becoming better. Improve your health, improve your skills, improve your mindset. The more you grow as a person, the more confident you become. Because deep inside you know, I am not the same person I was before. Most people do not realize this, but the way you talk to yourself controls your confidence. Many people have a very negative voice inside their mind. They say things like, I am not good enough, I cannot do this, people are better than me. And when you repeat these thoughts again and again, your brain starts believing them. But confident people do something different. They control their self-talk. Instead of saying, I cannot do this, they say, I will learn how to do this. Instead of saying I always fail, they say, I am improving every day. Your brain believes the words you repeat. So if you constantly tell yourself negative things, your confidence will go down. But if you start speaking to yourself with strength and belief, your confidence will slowly grow. Always remember this, your mind is always listening to you. So speak to yourself like someone who believes in his own potential. Let me tell you the truth. Confidence does not come from watching motivational videos. It comes from working. Build yourself and learn, grow, stand on your own, and confidence will follow.